And quickly, I'd like to ask you two questions. First and foremost, are the reactions that you're getting on the issue of IPOB and your stance on IPOB, are they threats to you?
Yeah. Why would they be a threat to me? Let me tell you. It is because of the division in this country today. We have never had this kind of country being divided this way. And that's why I see all this kind of agitation. You know, what pains me is people take politics to think that, oh, I want to use opportunity to fight this person. I want to ask everybody. And the day I will play it, Nigerians will be shocked. There came a time, IPOB was singing praises about Wike. This, the kind of whoever, singing praises about Wike. Wike is our son, is this. Why? I said, look, federal government, there's nothing wrong in people agitating. All is important, listen to the agitations. What are they talking about? Sit down with them, talk with them. Right? There's nothing wrong about that. I support the agitation. I support that injustice against the Southeast, whether anybody likes it or not. I do. We should sit down on the table and discuss it. All right. So, no, not only that. Now, all these people who are shouting now, they support IPOB. Ask me, any of the aspirants, with all due respect today, let them come and tell me who came out to say, IPOB, I'm with you. IPOB, what I do is right. IPOB, wherever you go, I am. And people now see, that's what I don't like in Nigerian politics. Everybody, because we're in an election, you want to take advantage. I read what they were saying that Wike said, I don't need IPOB. I don't need Southeast. After all, I'm with the North, I'm with the Southwest, I'm with the Niger Delta, I will win an election. Who is the Southeast? You know, you read some of this, you just laugh. The point I'm making, whether anybody likes it or not, there is injustice in the country. That division in the country, you need to see them to this.
All right. Wait. I beg. Mona no go anywhere. Remaining one more clip. The one I just finished to watch, that was Nyesom Wike 2022. During the build-up of the 2023 election. The one we wanna go watch now, I need to take you guys way back in time. That's 2020. To tell you how far Nyesom Wike don't they support the IPOB and the struggle for Biafra.
And from today, 23rd October 2020, the River State government has outlawed IPOB from existing and operating in River State or any part thereof in line with prescription order of the Federal Court and the Federal High Court and the Federal Government. No form of possession and agitation by IPOB or any of its affiliates is allowed to take place in River State or any part thereof henceforth. Security agencies are hereby directed to stop any form of possession or agitation by IPOB in River State or any part thereof, and arrest and prosecute any person or group that identifies with the membership activities of IPOB in the state. Government will issue an executive order to strengthen and ensure the effective enforcement of these measures.
Nyesom Wike, they like say they always forget yourself when you talk before. Which kind of person you be? So if you forget yourself, if you use other people too, they forget themselves.